In this circle, I have 62 PS4s, and in today's video, I'm gonna see how high I can stack them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's make sure we're stacking nice and tall and straight here. You go this way a little bit. I'm pretty confident I can stack about 20 of these with no issues at all. I'm at 6 so far. Let's see if we can get to 20. So far, I'm at 20 PS4s. You've probably been asking this whole time, why am I even doing this? This seems like a dumb idea. And while yes, on one hand, it's definitely a dumb idea, on the other hand, every single one of these PS4s is broken and it's something that's not even fixable. Now, with most things, like your car, for example, you can just go down to the auto parts store and buy most of the parts you might need for it. With PS4s and most other small electronics, unfortunately, you usually can't do that. I'm gonna tell you why in a minute. Let's keep stacking PS4s. And 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I feel like they're all leaning that way. Unfortunately, I didn't account for a windy day. Okay, they definitely are leaning that way. Let's get that problem fixed right away. Okay, better. Let's see if we can get to halfway. 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30, and 31. This wind is definitely moving this thing. Previous to this challenge, when they're all on the ground, I was very confident I could stack all 62 of these. I'm not so confident now, but let's see how high we can get. Before I do that though, I want to talk to you about the reason that I have 62 unfixable, broken PS4s. And the real reason is because of something called the right to repair. You see, there are right to repair laws for things like your car. This means that manufacturers must provide parts and also must provide service manuals for the cars that they manufacture. Unfortunately, with things like electronics, the large manufacturers do not have to provide parts. They basically don't have to provide any repair information for the devices that they manufacture. This is a brand new water pump I installed on my tractor. I can get a brand new water pump. I can even get the instructions from the manufacturer on how to install this water pump onto my tractor. This is the fan on a PS4. Not only can I not buy a brand new fan for this PS4, the manufacturer also doesn't have to show me instructions on how to replace this fan. For instructions on how to replace it, I have to go to iFixit or watch a YouTube video. Every single one of these PS4s probably could be fixable if I could get the parts I need and if I could get things like schematics and wiring diagrams, so I know exactly how the motherboards on these work. Unfortunately, without right to repair laws, these 62 PS4s are just junk. So what can we do about it? I'll tell you that in just a minute. Let's get some more PS4s on the pile. $40, 41. Whoa, a little too much there. Let's move it forward. Okay, there we go. 42. 42. 40. Oh no! Ah! 40. Oh no! Ah! So I was able to stack 42 PS4s. I challenge anyone out there to stack more than I can because I think this is probably a world record. So now back to right to repair. How can you help? Well, there's multiple organizations that you can contact. Repair.org, iFixit is very involved, but also some individuals as well. Follow Nathan Proctor on social media. Also, be sure to follow Louis Rossman. He's on YouTube. He's done lots of work with right to repair, and he's actually out there going to right to repair hearings and trying to get these laws passed. I'll put links down in the description to all of these people and organizations so you can go check them out and support right to repair in your state and also nationwide. So let's go take a look at the damage here. actually not too bad. Definitely got some road rash on some of the corners here. Got a rock stuck in that one. Unfortunately, every single one of these PS4s couldn't be fixed anyways, so I did my best to make something out of it that will hopefully make a difference for the future of all PS4s and all handheld electronics. And now it's time to see how many PS5s we can stack. Just kidding, are you kidding me? Have you seen these things? You couldn't stack more than 3. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you have a good one.